It's 10 p.m. The campus empties and the city changes.
We trust our maps. We follow the blue line. But maps don't see what hides in the dark. Unreported hotspots, isolated streets, risks disconnected from navigation. If something goes wrong, response time can stretch beyond 30 minutes. And minutes matter.
Safety shouldn't depend on luck. It should be engineered. This is SafeNex.
SafeTrace scans verified crime data, studies patterns, and reroutes you away from danger.
The Silent Room turns the community into real-time safety intelligence.
And if the worst begins, your device becomes more than a phone.
One word, HELP. And Nexa AI activates instantly. Live location streams continuously. Your recent path. Your direction. No gaps. Your loved ones are informed immediately. No delay. No confusion. No panic.
Closing the gap between fear and help. Between risk and response. SafeNex isn't an idea. It's an engineered system. Here's how it works.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to give you a closer look at my project, SafeNex. As we scroll through the landing page, you can see the core modules we've built to create a complete safety suite. I designed this to be completely cross-platform with a dark, modern UI that's fast and intuitive.
Security begins with trust, which is why SafeNex requires a stringent onboarding process. Upon sign-in, users are prompted to upload a government-issued ID. Our proprietary AI engine instantly extracts data, validates formatting, and conducts authenticity pattern analysis. Within seconds, a secure, verifiable digital identity is generated. This ensures that our community network remains authentic and accountable. Once verified, users enter the Urban Safety Intelligence System. This central dashboard provides a real-time safety index and immediate access to our core tactical modules, SafeTrace, the Nexa AI SOS system, the Silent Room Community Hub, and live tracking capabilities. Now let's launch our tactical routing module, SafeTrace. We'll grant location permissions, and the system immediately acquires my exact GPS coordinates here in South Mumbai, while loading verified danger hotspots across the city that I'll set our destination to Kurla, select bike/Scooty as the travel mode, and hit find safe routes. The engine begins analyzing geospatial crime datasets in real time. Navigation is live. Notice how the route dynamically steers around high-risk zones. Clicking on these red nodes displays verified threat intelligence sourced directly from Mumbai police crime data, like the Ray Road underbridge flag for theft, or the King Circle Junction flag for high collision risk. Further up the highway, it identifies critical danger nodes near the Eastern Freeway and high-risk shortcuts, giving commuters full visibility before they encounter them. Ending navigation brings up the route intelligence comparison. Route 1 is rated medium safety with an 80% safety score and moderate lighting, while Route 2 is flagged critical with a 0% safety score due to passing through an active danger hotspot. SafeTrace ensures users always take the protected path. Next is our rapid emergency response engine, Nexa AI SOS. Opening the module reveals 24/7 AI monitoring and our sub-2-second dispatch guarantee. Clicking the top SOS alert button reveals pre-formatted encrypted dispatch telemetry for police, medical, fire, and women's helplines. Checking the emergency settings, my primary contact number is securely configured and locally encrypted that lets test the intelligence. I can chat casually with Nexa AI, but the moment I type the emergency keyword help, the system instantly overrides the interface, activates emergency protocols, and locks onto my 3-point GPS location. SafeNex triggers an instant automated dispatch prompt to launch WhatsApp directly without manual dialing. Look at WhatsApp Web. The emergency contact receives a formatted alert immediately. It details the user's SafeNex ID, exact GPS coordinates, a direct Google Maps link, and a crucial movement trail tracking the last 3 recorded locations, distance covered, and stationary status. It completely removes delay and panic from emergency reporting. For routine late-night travel, we have the Track Me module. Toggling tracking to on initiates a live satellite beacon that continuously broadcasts coordinates even if the browser closes. The system generates an active live tracking link. With one click, I can share this link directly to my emergency contacts via WhatsApp. When the recipient clicks the link, a dedicated live monitoring dashboard opens. They can watch my live pin move in real time, check active ping counts, monitor session duration, and toggle between dark and light map themes for clarity. Back in the main app, once the user arrives safely, clicking Stop Tracking immediately ends the session. Over on WhatsApp, an automated notification confirms the session has ended and expires the live link, guaranteeing total user privacy.
Is the silent room. This is our real-time community safety feed. You can check trending posts, your own complaints, and analytics. Let's create a new post to show you the workflow. I'll select the suspicious category, write a quick note saying, "This place looks creepy," and grab my current location. I'll choose to post this anonymously. As soon as I hit post, it updates the community feed instantly. It's a great way to crowdsource neighborhood safety without compromising your identity. Complaints tab, which acts as a highly secure, confidential portal for serious issues that bypass the public feed and go straight to system admins. Finally, the Analytics tab gives a powerful overview of community engagement, tracking our total posts and categorizing the types of incidents being reported. It's a comprehensive, real-time way to crowdsource neighborhood safety without ever compromising your identity.